Hey guys, welcome back to Comfy Cozy Up, and it's another month of weigh-in, and March was horrible. So if you've watched my lifestyle update, then you knew that the first week of March I lost power. So I had no access to my own home because it was freezing, and I stayed at a friend's house. So being that I wasn't at my own place, I wasn't trying to accumulate any clothes, so I didn't go to the gym. Plus I wasn't in the mood, and then on top of that, I ate whatever was cooked in the house, and a lot of it was unhealthy. So my first week of March was just suffered. So then by the time I got back to being normal, the power was on, which was 8 days later. I literally mentally was just not in the mood. I still worked out, but it wasn't like pushing myself. Then finally I decided, okay, let me get myself back into it, and I injured myself. So I end up pulling a muscle, and I was in pain. Like, it was just horrible. I was limping. It was just the worst. So that was another week of not being able to work out. And then finally I was able to work out, but I don't think it's enough to really make a big difference. So I don't expect a weight loss this month, and I'm praying I didn't gain anything, but it happened. I'm back on it, and hopefully next month will be better. But here's how the month went. Yeah, the little workout that I did do. So, all right, guys. So guys, this is my third workout of the month, and today's the 13th. So that should tell you I'm not having a good month. Alright, so guys, it's been a rough week because I injured my right leg. So I wasn't able to walk properly for about 2 days. I mean, I was limping. It's not 100%, but it's working. And I've been using this Fit Nation. It's like a massager, and surprisingly, it really does work. It helps. And I've been using it to kind of get back my like, I don't know what I pulled, but I definitely pulled something, and it was painful, but it's healing, and it's almost back to 100%. I'm not in pain anymore, but I still have, like, when I do squats, a certain kind of workout, it still bothers me a lot. So, but it's a small setback in my workout. So it is what it is, but I'm hoping it doesn't affect the scale at the end of the month. But I still have, almost 2 weeks to work out, so we'll see. So anyway, that's it for today. Probably gonna do a little bit more ab work, and that's it. So as you can see, I gained 0.2. So it's not bad. At least I didn't gain like nothing significant. And I don't really consider that like anything because I was down 17.2. Now I'm down to 17. It's like my body really didn't gain anything. Let me not say that, because the last week I've been pushing hard. So that might have made a big difference. It could have been worse had I not like tried to regain some of control of my situation. But I'm alright. I'm alright because this March was a struggle. A struggle. So I am not going to beat myself up, but I'm back on it, and hopefully next month the scale will say something different. Let me know, you know, what's your month weigh-in was, if you struggle, and how you deal with, you know, disappointment and all that stuff. So hey guys, another month, and hopefully next month the result will be so much better, because I need to get out of the 200s. I need to. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.